Why not show the Chinese fashion through our company?
Many people in the global market find elements of Chinese fashion interesting.
Chinese culture is not what you used to think.
非常非常酷，
It can lead the world as well.
牛逼！
你好，你好，你好。
江湖上的流行先说。
然后那天我听明哥说了一下咱们这边的一些。
Ming talked to me the other day something about us. I'm always interested in hats and street fashion.
或者是对潮牌，不知道，如果是帽子我本来就已经很感兴趣。
我是2013年开始的。
Since 2013, I have been working with streetwear brands. It was the time when street fashion went viral overseas, and their order quantity was very small, from several counts to dozens. Yes, 200 hats could be the largest one.
最大的都不会超过200个。
就是比北美那一块。
At that time, most orders are from North American and European. I love their hats and design very much. At first, I was like, oh, whoa, this hat looks very different from the hats I made for the other customers. A lot of customers introduce themselves like I'm a new brand or I'm a tiny brand. I can feel it from the text that they are young and they really love and cherish their old brands. They wanted to do something for their brands, but they did not know how. Because at that time, Chinese factory only accepted bulk orders between 2011 and 2012. I won't accept order less than 2,000 hats.
2000顶帽子我都是不接的。
I consider myself a service provider, not a manufacturer. Compared with other service providers, I have my own factory.
You can see there are many different flags, meaning we work with customers all over the world. We also custom apparel. Most of them are street fashion. Our office has 2 areas, with production department, sales department, design team, e-commerce department, and brand team. Here our accounting department, our director's office, and marketing department. We want everyone to work here happily. This is our trade show in Sydney, Australia, and a magic show in America 2014. This is our cutting bed. Our workman is measuring the fabrics we already cut. We have commonly used fabrics available in stock. This is our embroidery area. This part is for sample embroidery. And we have different colors for embroidery. Now we are heading to our sewing area. This is the sewing area. It's the first manufacturing process. Bucket hat is one of the most popular hat styles in the market.
Our customers are mostly street fashion brands, small and medium ones. Customers wish to enjoy all-in-one service. We will do branding for them, then product design and product manufacturing. After production, they might need something visual. Their hats or clothing need photography. Including our old customer, they need us to do videos for them about the production process. Just a simple video. In fact, we just do some demo for our customer and they loved it so much. Just share with them how your hats are made by us, when will the clothes be available, how to do the cutting, and how to do embroidery. That's it. Many street fashion brands sell their products online. For instance, they do social media marketing. That means they need not a vision things to post there. Videos, photos, things will offer comprehensive one-stop solution. They can get vision, content, or production process from start to finish. If they don't know how to create content, our coworker can help them with something. Writing and video planning. All process can be done in our factory. If no some of their products haven't been produced, they can still sell them online in terms of pre-sales. We also want to integrate the logistics systems, including dropshipping. For example, our client is from the US, but he got an order from the UK. Then we will deliver his order to UK. We want to make a complete supply chain for our customer.
All things she showed me are very professional. Different molds, different size. A trustworthy factory must be fully developed. She got everything she needs to do things perfectly and independently. What is AUNG CROWN based on? Why did you start up AUNG CROWN?
I wish I'm an advocate. In one word, I want this world to be cleaner. When I run AUNG CROWN, I'm pushing the world to be cleaner. At the same time, I use my rich experience in caps and apparel manufacturing industry. I'm wondering if I can express such value and emotions through my enterprise. When I got this idea, I happened to know these recycled materials. This eco-friendly, reusable fabric can make our world cleaner. We should use fewer plastic in every possible way. If not, can I recycle it? Can we recycle those plastics? From 2013 until now, with so many streetwear brands served, I know exactly what they need. So why not show the Chinese fashion through our company? Can I create a culture creative park where we can show them our 5,000 years long Chinese culture? A park where you can know more about streetwear. Unlike regular one, it looks very nice and is fun, also full of technology. I plan to build up a workshop, very modern, something to have a look at, whether it's for tourists to visit or for a business tour. Chinese manufacturing industry has developed to such an advanced level from the very beginning to the end of the entire production. AUNG CROWN will show you how developed China's streetwear culture is. I love my country. I want to show the world that Chinese culture is not what you used to think. It can lead the world as well. This is the place you don't want to miss if you want to know Chinese culture better.
Two most appealing things about AUNG CROWN are action and imagination. The so-called action is they have a very well-established chain of production. Imagination is the boss foresight. What she wants to do happens to be something I want to do as well. I think that's what appeals to me the most. We haven't exported enough Chinese elements to our international friends before. That's a pity. So many dynasties, so many myths, so many traditional crafts. Why not discover more? I can't call those things creations, but heritage. Too many people have forgotten. Some things don't even know it. I believe what we made can be very cool to foreign markets. Super cool. Splendid. Those typical Chinese elements they never saw will surely blow their mind.